we're going to take the derivative of y equals square root of x over square root of x minus 1. And we have a quotient, so we're going to use the quotient rule. So dy dx equals, quotient rule says we're going to have the denominator, square root of x minus 1, times the derivative of the numerator. So one thing we might want to do is write this as x to the 1/2 so we can see our power rule really clearly when we go to take the derivative. So the derivative of x to the 1/2 is 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 minus. Now we're going to leave this side alone. We'll leave it as square root of x numerator. And now we're going to do the derivative of x to the 1/2 minus 1. Well, we just did derivative of x to the 1/2. That's 1/2 x to the minus 1/2. The minus 1 is a constant because we're doing it piece by piece. All over the denominator squared. All right, now let's talk about any simplifying we can do. And what I notice is both have this 1/2 x to the negative 1/2 in there. So let's pull that out front. So 1/2 x to the minus 1/2. And then we'll have what's left, square root of x minus 1, and then also minus square root of x. All over square root of x minus 1 squared. Notice the square root of x's cancel. We're going to get left with a negative 1 here. And we're going to rewrite this because we don't want a fraction in a fraction, and let's get rid of the negative exponent. So the 1/2, what I can do is I can put the 2 down in the denominator. Also, x to the negative 1/2, the negative allows me to put x to the 1/2 in the denominator. So all I'm going to get left with on top is a negative 1. And then on bottom, I'm going to get the 2 from this 1/2 is going to go down here. This guy's also going to go down here, except it's going to be x to the 1/2 or square root of x, and then times square root of x minus 1, the quantity squared. And as far as this negative sign, I could write it on top, I could write it on bottom, or I could write it out front, as long as I only have a single negative sign.